Hi friends! Are you ready for an awesome marble run adventure? Today, we're going to explore how marbles roll, race, and speed through twisty tracks, all while learning a bit of physics. First, let's talk about what a marble run is. It is a track or maze where marbles roll down from the top to the bottom using gravity. Gravity is what pulls everything down, including our marbles. So, the higher you start your marble, the faster it rolls. Now, let's build our first marble run. You can use cardboard tubes, toy tracks, or even paper rolls from home. Place them on a wall or a big board and make sure your marble can roll smoothly. We'll start with a short track and then make it longer. Let's drop the marble and watch. Wow! Did you see that? The marble picked up speed as it went down the slope. That's because of potential and kinetic energy. Potential energy is the stored energy when the marble is at the top. When it starts rolling, it turns into kinetic energy, the energy of motion. Now let's make it even more fun. At turns, tunnels, and maybe a jump ramp, the marble will need to keep its energy to complete the run. So make sure your turns are smooth and not too sharp. If the marble stops or falls off, don't worry, that's how real engineers test and improve designs. Let's try another experiment. What happens if we change the height of the starting point? Let's raise it higher. Wow! The marble moves much faster now. That's because more height means more potential energy and more speed when it rolls down. Now let's try using different materials for the track. Paper rolls, plastic tubes, and even Lego pieces all make different sounds and speeds. Listen closely, can you hear the difference? Physics isn't just about speed, it's about how things move, roll, and react. Let's do a quick race. Build 2 marble runs side by side, one with a steep slope and one with gentle curves. Which marble do you think will reach the bottom first? Ready, set, go! Wow, the steeper one won. That's physics in action, faster acceleration with a bigger slope. Now, for our grand finale, let's make a mega marble run. Add bridges, tunnels, and loops if you can. You can even decorate your track with colors, flags, and stickers to make it extra fun. The more creative you get, the more exciting your marble world becomes. Remember, every marble run teaches you about gravity, motion, speed, and energy. That's physics made fun. So keep experimenting, keep building, and keep learning through play. Thanks for joining me on this amazing marble run adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cool science and building videos.